Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream YouTube and Twitch at the same time 2024. So let's go to the restart.io first. You have to just click on restream.io and you have to make a account on this make a register and make a account on this restream.io, and after that you have to click on add channel. Click on add channel. Now click on Twitch, connect Twitch, give your username and password, and then click on login, and now click on authorize. Okay, your channel has been added here. Now you have to click on another channel, click on add channels, and now choose YouTube. Now choose channel, click on connect YouTube. Now you have to sign in with ID and password, or you can do it with the Gmail directly. Click on continue. Click on allow and give the permission. Here your YouTube account. Enable live streaming on your channel before you can stream. Now your two account has been added here in this stream. Now you have to go to the OBS, then click on so here you can see that your live YouTube live and Twitch has been two account has been added here. Now if you want to start streaming to the OBS, just directly go to settings, then you have to click on the stream, the second option, then you have to choose this, click on this and choose restream.io. Then you have to connect your account with ID and password, so click on this. You have to write the email ID and the password here. After giving the ID and password, click on login. Confirm that you are not a robot. Traffic lights, click on next. Fire hydrants, stairs, motorcycles, too many, bus. After verifying a robot, click on login. Now click on allow. It is authenticating. You have to hold on some seconds. Okay, after authenticating, so after login, you have to click on this save changes. Then you can see that your two account, one is YouTube and second one is your Twitch account has been added. Now you can uh, change the title or write the title here, example 1, and you can change your description here and click on update all. After that you can cross this, all of this. After cross this windows, you have to click on this sources option plus icon, this one, and click on display capture. Now click on OK. Your display is capturing here. Now click on start streaming. Click on OK. And now here you can see that your stream has been started and you are on live. Okay. So after that, after completing, you have to click on stop streaming and your stream will be stopped. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.